In this video I would like to show you how you can connect your Bluetooth keyboard to FiveLoop with Safari. And there are some foot switches like this AirTurn BT200 that are able to connect over Bluetooth to your Mac, and it has the possibility to use MIDI or function as a Bluetooth keyboard, so generate normal keystrokes. And when you work with a Bluetooth controller, I highly recommend not to use MIDI and rather go for the keyboard mode or keystroke mode, as in my experience it's much more reliable. So we can do that by turning it on, and it is blinking fast now. That means it's looking for, or it's ready to be paired over Bluetooth. So what we do on Mac is we open the system settings and go into Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and obviously this only works with a Mac that has Bluetooth. And we just saw that this new device here popped up. That's our AirTurn controller. So we click on connect. And maybe try a second time. Yes, and now we are connected. We can see that the blue LED is not flashing fast anymore, but steady. Or not steady, but it's not blinking that fast anymore. And this here we only need to do once. Now if we close it, turn it off and turn it on again, it should automatically connect. So there are different modes, and we can, with this AirTurn, as I mentioned earlier. And in order to use the keystroke mode, I recommend to use the 6 mode, and we can switch the mode by pressing this option key here or button here and wait until the LED flashed 6 times and then release the button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's in the keystroke mode. There are other different keystroke modes for this controller. Some have the page up and page down button. So when you're on a website and try to start and stop a video, it would scroll down at the same time. So use the 6 mode. That's the best for FiveLoop. And now what we need to do is go in the FiveLoop menu here on the top right. If you do not have this icon, then click with your right mouse button here and drag and drop the FiveLoop icon wherever you want. So let's open the FiveLoop menu. And we go ahead and click on Start Keystroke Learn Mode. Now all the function buttons turn blue and are ready to be assigned. Now let's start with the rewind button. And now FiveLoop is listening for keystrokes, and we press the button here on the AirTurn. And let's assign the rest. Play, pause, forward, speed down, speed up, and loop. Click done. Now we can exit this menu, and now we can use this AirTurn controller as a foot switch to control the video.